Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can set cooling on your Panasonic AC remote in 2026. So first of all you need to point the remote towards the AC indoor unit, and then you just have to simply press the power button or this type of on or off button once. Now the AC display and the airflow should now start normally. Now once this is done, you just have to simply press this mode button repeatedly. Every time you press it, the AC is going to change between different types of modes. All of the modes will be shown over here. As you can see, this is the auto available, but you are going to see different modes like auto, dry, fan, heat and cool. So you need to stop pressing once you see the snowflake icon or once you see the cool mode on this particular display. So once you have seen that particular snowfall icon, you just have to simply use the temperature buttons in order to basically adjust the cooling temperature. For stronger coolings, you can set it around 22 to 24 degrees Celsius, and lower temperatures makes the room cool faster. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.